color on my eyebrows. So I have this wonderful pencil here that will give me the color that I need. And this is my lifesaver right here. I love it. And then what I do is I do this, and then I take out the tip a little bit. Then I will be doing my eyebrows. I don't do a lot of stuff, and this is what I do. Okay, how can I do this? So I just color it very gentle because I don't want to look either like with too much eyebrows. Then I will take the other end that has this little brush, and I will brush them off, and you can see how they look. They fill in just like that. See that? How they fill in. So then now I'm gonna do my other eyebrow. And I'm not big on makeup or anything like that. And this is all what I do in the morning because I don't have time to go out with full makeup in my face. Then I will do this little brush, and then look how beautiful they look. What a difference. Isn't that a difference from no eyebrows to some eyebrows? It looks amazing. Let me know in the comments what do you think, okay? Not the best video, but it's okay. You take care. Bye bye.